So if we weren't doing anything else during the day, we would come to the beach bar and hang something into the water. Within 10 minutes, rays,
we got some stingrays,
sharks, turtles, they would all come up to the beach bar and start hanging around. With all this life coming up to the dock, it made it a perfect place to go fishing.
One of the cool parts about the island is if you caught your own food, they'll just cook it for you.
All right, we're catching dinner tonight. Get them playing drums too. So we'd hang out all day on this dock and fish.
Pull it. Ah! Bring it in. Fish.
Dude, it's a good cast.
Good.
Goodbye, Mark. Here we go.
That's the one you want.
So our last fish was not big enough for dinner. A big school of jacks just came in and Brian's gonna try to get a bigger one for us for dinner.
His way to check if there was fish under the water was just looking with goggles.
What's he doing here?
Just checking if there's a lot of fish under the water, see if we should either stop or keep going.
Fishing in Belize is renowned, with opportunities for deep sea, fly, and reef fishing. The Belize Barrier Reef offers an abundance of catches, like snappers, tarpons, and permits. Right when we put our lines in, we started catching so many fish right after that, pulling them up by the tens. We were so excited. Amir was way too good at it. We're out here in the middle of the Caribbean. We dropped our lines in probably 5 minutes ago. We've already got 3. This was the perfect way to watch the sunset and end our last day here on the island. We're excited to bring back our haul to the kitchen and have them prepare us a real Belizean dinner.
Got a bunch of groupers. Great day.
Chef's kiss. Oui.
Chef's kiss.
All the food at Mary's Soul is locally sourced and locally made.
Well, for tonight's menu, we have blackened shrimp linguine. It's a base of white wine and evaporated milk. It's a linguine al dente, tossed in the cream sauce, and the grilled shrimps on top with or garnishes of fried noodles as well, fried linguine.
Shout out Chef Alex. All the meals he made were insane. Before this trip, I hated seafood, and Chef Alex changed my mind. It was all very good.
Fresh caught snapper. We caught this about an hour ago. Compliments to Chef Alex. He made it.
Please like and subscribe.
That's a big bite.
The island owner's son, Amir, was able to show us all around the island when we went paddleboarding, and we hung out with him basically every day and every night. He was always around.
He took palm fronds, he'd cut one piece off, he'd zip it and shoot super far.
Yeah. Let's talk about how the kid could do a backflip off of anything, though. Literally anything.
You could tell he just grew up on the island. It was crazy. He knew the whole thing.
The next day, we would go back to the mainland to continue our adventure in Belize.
Next time on Travel with Kids.